Is this thing on? What's going on, guys? I'm gonna do just a quick little video for you. I'm at work today, obviously. We need to put a blower motor in the truck. I know we haven't talked about this thing. I've got plans. You guys will find out. But here is a quick video. This is the blower motor for this beast. If you guys don't know what this truck is, it'll be in the title of the video. This is my 98 Chevy C3500, 6.5 diesel. This is the same blower motor whether you've got a 6-cylinder or the diesel, or a 1500 or 4500, whatever. Same blower motor. I'm going to show you what we got to do. First, we got to drop the glove box. So I'll show you about that. Get the glove box dropped down. Then we got to get in and get the insulation off. Pop her out. Hopefully the new one flies right in. And we'll be going. So, glove box. I always keep my pink panties and stuff in here. We should have a little hooker here. Alright, you see this little hook guy over here? That's got to come off. Okay, if you guys are trying to get this little hook hinge off here, you have to push on that, and then it'll slide out. Let's see what it's got going on right there. And then, to get the glove box out, you just pry in. Bada bing, bada boom. And then it's got clips down here. You just hook it. Rah, rah, rah. Nope, I don't want to break it. See? Clips pop out. Now let's see if we can see what the hell is going on in here. I'm not sure if somebody's been in here before. This is all shit for the engine. Oh, there's a pin pulled out. That's probably not good. We'll just push that right back in there. There's probably another 100 horsepower. Okay, there should be tabs up on top here for this thing. Of course, the diesel has to make everything harder because I don't think the computer is here in the gas trucks. I have one of those at home too. I guess we could look. Alright, give me a second. Okay. Also, you got two connectors up inside there. Kind of a pain to get to. I was able to just get the clip tool in there and boink them off. But this bad lad is still stuck. And I get very impatient. If you guys haven't figured that out, I might just rip it out of here. Yep, pretty sure. Just grip her and give her the beans. Oh man, it is full of beans. Alright, like I said, just get in there and rip that fucking thing out because it's gonna ruin your goddamn day. Get. Okay, now class. Just got to pull out these 7/32 that go around her and put the new one in. Alright, so clearly part of this on their engineer team must have been to be like a cruel joke because this bolt here can't really get anything on. I mean, I wonder what the Chevy procedure is. I bet you they want this dash pulled because Chevy's fucking retarded. I just want a blower motor, guys. How do you feel about that? Is it so wrong for a man to want to be warm? Yeah, this ain't fucking working. Please hold. I'm gonna break something. Okay, so got the old one out. Here's the new one. First thing you're gonna want to do, because you got to transfer the ground, make sure you use your impact like an asshole and then strip the hole. Just strip it right out. Then try to make another one and not go through. So yeah, I recommend doing that for sure. Definitely. All right, and then one other thing I'm going to point out. I'm going to try and swap them real quick. The new one, the little rubber isolators, don't come with the metal inserts. This is the original. I mean, Rochester, USA 725 and 97. So this has been in here since the truck was new. This one, if you want to go on Amazon, it's a Durl. It was like Amazon's bestseller. Everybody had good reviews on it. It was like 31 bucks. Had it in 2 days for free shipping. Locally, they were like 51 bucks. But I had some other shit. I ended up ordering other shit and got everything for 51 bucks. So, whatever. I'm going to go ahead, get this zapped in. Hopefully it works. All right, new one is in. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, look at that. Right away on high. Look at that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and throw the glove box back in. I don't think you need to watch that. This took me about a half an hour. So, and that was with stripping things out and messing things up. So, yeah, about a half an hour if you're wanting to be slow. 45 minutes, an hour job. Really not bad. Save you a bunch of money. And yeah, you just need a 7/32. If you got a diesel, I'm going to have to look at the other truck now and see if the computer is in that same spot. Because, yeah, that sucked. I fought the fucking insulation piece and whatever. So, it's in. There she is. I'll get the insulation put back over it and stuff. But, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And don't hit that dislike button. Or do it. I don't care.